Harris, and Serena Vanderwoodson, brunch buddies.
Hey, you're up. Do we have plans?
Darling, it is impolite to interrupt. I was just...
Impolite. Impolite.
Darling, it is impolite to interrupt. I was just...
These are beautiful, Miss Waldorf.
Well, they will be. They're not all squished from traveling. Darling, please.
Squish. Squish.
All squished from traveling. Darling, please.
Off the name. How about this? Definitely that. Babe Ruth's called shot. The most.
Babe. Babe.
Babe Ruth's called shot. The most.
You've lived through Ivy Week.
Ivy. Ivy.
You've lived through Ivy Week. Phasing, my man. I heard you went rogue.
I live to tell about it.
Hey.
Seems like someone's itinerary.
Itinerary. Itinerary.
Seems like someone's itinerary.
I live to tell about it.
Hey.
Seems like someone's itinerary didn't leave room for interlopers.
Interloper. Interloper.
Itinerary didn't leave room for interlopers.
Okay, well, when you're done with your charity work, why don't you come find me? I'll be at Tory Burch looking at ponchos.
Poncho. Poncho.
I'll be at Tory Burch looking at ponchos.
Spent a year rebuilding Machu Picchu, which, let me tell you, has changed my life. I bought an HD cam and started filming it for a documentary.
You're the...
Cam. Cam.
I bought an HD cam and started filming it for a documentary.
You're the...
Material things from a guy who has that much product in his hair. This party is about excess, not exposition.
Exposition. Exposition.
This party is about excess, not exposition.
Right way is this. Girls, no, this is how you do it. No. Gotta curve your spine forward, elongate.
You guys are doing it all.
Elongate. Elongate.
Curve your spine forward, elongate.
You guys are doing it all.
Hey, you ready? Okay, one more. This time, let's exhale. Jump around, loosen up, and really...
Exhale. Exhale.
Exhale. Jump around, loosen up, and really... Who chose this girl?
Eleanor, why?
So prim, stiff.
Prim. Prim.
So prim, stiff. Who chose this girl?
Eleanor, why?
So prim, stiff. Like a bookcase. It's unnatural.
Yeah, but she's...
Bookcase. Bookcase.
Like a bookcase. It's unnatural.
Yeah, but she's...
Is maybe you could loosen up a little, you know? Shake it out. Maybe you could be goofy, like when we were 10 and we would
Goofy. Goofy.
be like when we were 10 and we would... Yeah, give me more tiger, give me more tiger. You're in that jungle. You're savage. Now let's hear...
Savage. Savage.
Now let's hear... Posh Spice in America. Ready, go. That's Cyborg.
Posh. Posh.
Posh Spice in America. Ready, go. That's Cyborg. That's so good. You're doing so good. You got it. Good video. Pout, pout, pout. What are you doing?
Pout. Pout.
You are pout, pout, pout. What are you doing?
You get a chance to talk to your client?
I'm back, aren't I? Write me up an invoice.
Really?
Invoice. Invoice.
Up an invoice.
Really?
Waldorf,
who is basically everything I hate about the Upper East Side, distilled into one 95-pound, doe-eyed, bon mot tossing.
Distill. Distill.
Distilled into one 95-pound, doe-eyed, bon mot tossing.
And girls like that are challenging, it's true. They're complicated and enigmatic.
Enigmatic. Enigmatic.
Enigmatic.
Urgency. Apart from my not getting my sleep before the big day, Laurel. And why couldn't we simply have discussed it over the phone? Because if we didn't...
Laurel. Laurel.
Why couldn't we simply have discussed it over the phone? Because if we didn't...
Unapproachable, control, perfect.
She is not unapproachable. She is poised. It's regal.
Unapproachable. Unapproachable.
She is not unapproachable. She is poised. It's regal.
Fail to achieve. What's the word?
Symbiosis.
Symbiosis. Symbiosis.
Symbiosis. Thank God you're awake.
Am I late? Oh my god, did I oversleep?
Darling, I have...
Oversleep. Oversleep.
Oh my god, did I oversleep?
Darling, I have... I hired these people for their expertise, and ultimately they feel that we would be doing the brand a disservice. I cannot...
Disservice. Disservice.
Doing the brand a disservice. I cannot...
Ambrosio, not an amateur.
We'll have dinner after, yes? Steak, fruits, and crepes at Cafe des Artistes. Just like...
Artist. Artist.
Steak, fruits, and crepes at Cafe des Artistes. Just like...
I wouldn't say that.
Well, she did. I mean, she may have been wearing a slip dress and Doc Martens at the time, but she definitely...
Martin. Martin.
Doc Martens at the time, but she definitely...
Well, what do you want me to do then?
Take it back. You can call Bax and set up a refund.
Refund. Refund.
Bax and set up a refund.
From now on, it's an adventure. Just a couple more hands.
All right, Jen, Santy up.
Auntie. Auntie.
All right, Jen, Santy up.
Normally I wouldn't be this close to you without a tetanus shot.
Tetanus. Tetanus.
Normally I wouldn't be this close to you without a tetanus shot.
That's rough. You told me to. It's the luck of the draw, my friend. He had 3 aces.
Ace. Ace.
He had 3 aces.
There wasn't any time. I know you can understand all this. It was mishandled.
Mishandle. Mishandle.
It was mishandled. The whole thing from top to bottom.
You actually want me to agree with you?
Bendels will legitimize this company.
Legitimize. Legitimize.
Bendels will legitimize this company.
Everyone knows you can't choose your family, but you can choose your friends. And in a world ruled by bloodlines and bank accounts...
Bloodline. Bloodline.
And in a world ruled by bloodlines and bank accounts...